here. Notice the head of the man in Aries. There's Aries. Taurus is pointing to here. Gemini is pointing to the arms. When you put the man there, and the man in the sky is Adam. Adam Kadmon in Jewish Kabbalah. Adam Kadmon is this man here, Aries, the arms, the chest, the heart, the belly. Virgo is the belly. That's why you got any Virgos here. You probably noticed they have a nice little pot belly. My father's a Virgo and he's got his pot belly. He's always had this belly. And we'd always laugh at him. Well, it turns out, he's a Virgo. You're a muscly Virgo. But no, that's it. Arians have got prominent heads, hence my buffhead. but they do. Taurians have got thick necks. I've picked Taurians by their neck. In fact, once I couldn't, I didn't guess this Taurian, and he said, I'm the one with the thick neck. And I said, oh, okay, that's Taurus. Now, how did he know to say that? He doesn't know this. He didn't know this, I know that. But he said, we have the thick necks. You see how things are getting around? Expressions?
I'm a Sagittarius and I've got thunder thighs, so.
Yes. Have a look at your Sagittarian friends. They've got the males, they've got these big thighs. Have a look at Geminis, their long arms, or the way they move their arms. It's amazing. Their arms are like air. Have a look at the Leos that get around and the Cancerians, because they're summer. It's hot. No, this is how it works. Arians are the babies of the Zodiac. Why are they the babies? Well, the sun is a baby here. He's a little boy. And he's climbing because he has to climb the mountain to get to his enthronement. And the enthronement is always here on the summer solstice because that's when the sun is the biggest. Just like his bride, the bride, Mary Magdalene. New moon, full moon. That's the glory of the moon. That's the bleeding of the moon. In the menstruation cycle, that's where the bleeding happens. New moon. That's your cycle, ladies. It takes 14 days for the egg to mature. And if it's fertilised at this point, you'll have a son or child. 270 days later. Otherwise, 14 days later, it'll bleed. That's the new moon. You can't see it because it's in between you and the sun, so you can't see the new moon. But you can see that one because that is always opposite the sun, the full moon, always. When the sun is setting in the west, then you'll see the full moon coming up in the east. They have to be. So the sun's enthronement is here, Ra. Horus, Ra, Set. Wow, interesting. The war of Horus and Set. Cain and Abel. Jacob and Esau. All the twins in the Bible. Jesus and Satan. Satan rules Capricorn. Satan kills Jesus because Jesus, this is cardinal fire. This is fixed fire where the sun lives. The sun rules Leo. And this is mutable fire, Sagittarius. So the fire cycle, of which there is none in this quadrant here, is killed by Saturn. He is the killer on the 21st of December, which is Saint Tammuz Day, and Tammuz is Osiris, and Osiris is Saturn, the brother of Jesus, the son, who kills him. See how it works? It's amazing. It's scary to think that they've literalised this story. It's pure poetry of the heavens. So, you see we have March the 21st here, we have June the 21st, Prince William's birthday, December the 21st and September the 21st. Everything starts here. Everything. Remember, it's the head. It's where the fractal begins. It all starts with cardinal fire because cardinal fire is the first part of the fire. Cardinal is the beginning signs. They are the door openers. Cardo in Latin means hinge. When the sun passes those days, it crosses over those days or passes over. That's why there are 4 crucifixions in the Bible: Matthew, Mark, Luke and John. Because they are crossifixions. crossovers. The sun is crossing over. It's being crucified on the cross of matter. What's that the symbol of? Earth. The symbol of the earth? Oh, okay. Do you think they knew something? It's this science. It all goes back to the science. That's the symbol for the sun. Okay? Target. Just you watch how many symbols of those Illuminati corporations have to do with the sun. I'll show you, that's going to scare you. It's scary. It really is scary what they're doing subliminally. What I've done here is I've basically made that bigger, that graph that we had in the first one, right? There's the Tropic of Cancer, and there's the Tropic of Capricorn, okay? And there's the equator, really. You can just extend it. You understand what I've done? So there's your summer, and there's your winter, your good and your evil. Remember, we had hell down here, inverno. Okay? Now, first thing I want to bring to your attention here, I'm going to wrap 7 wheels around here. I'm going to wrap the body of the man. The head is always here. And then the Pisces touch the back of the head, immutable, water, thick cardinal fire. This is the starting line. And I'll show you why. Now, interesting, fire in the head, water in the feet. We are a magnet. We are a magnet. We're magnetic. And obviously, the fire must connect to the air, the fire in the head of Aries, to the air above the head, as the philosophers say, and the water in Pisces is always connecting to the earth. That's the magnetic polarization, okay? That's how you've got to see. So I'm going to wrap the body around here, and I'm going to show you how all the stars, Taurus has always got its 3 other constellations. Orion is in here. Orion, the famous Orion, the Lamb of God that fights with the dragon. There's a red star in Scorpion, that's the dragon. Every opposition, that's Herod and John the Baptist, that's the Lamb, and that's the fiery dragon, the 4 fixed points. Check these oppositions. There's a reason they're there. All right? There's a reason why Libra is the opposite of Aries. They both have to do with equinoxes, and you'll see why. There's a reason why Cancer has a unicorn in it, opposite to the Capricorn. The corns that are there, the unicorn, which is also the Cancer, the crab, and the scarab, the beetle, is also here. Just like here we have the eagle and the serpent and the scorpion, here we have 3 animals also in these 2 signs. One of them is the unicorn opposite the Capricorn, because these are the corns, the solstices. Right? Now, Orion is here. What you're going to notice as we go through the body is all those stars correspond with the stars in your body. So it's all the same thing.
Are they deacons?
No, they're not the deacons, but everyone has, for instance, in Gemini, you've got Canis Minor and Canis Major belong to this sector. Here in Aries, I think you've got Perseus is in here. Perseus is one of the stars, but there's the 36 outer constellations, right, along with the constellations of the Zodiac. There was 36 of them, so you need to know those ones too. You don't need to know them, but as you learn, you realise Orion is in there. It's important to know that Orion is in, and you'll see why later, okay? But I'm going to wrap the body around here. In a minute, we're going to do the agricultural year, and we're going to see if those signs, we're going to pay attention and see if any of those signs happen to correspond with the planets, with the seasons below. I wonder why the bull is there in April. let's see if we can work this out. I'm going to wrap 7 of these wheels around this, and you will see the tarot is here. The tarot is the 12 cards. There's 22 cards in the tarot, and the 10 bodies, including the Earth, Uranus and Neptune. This is what the tarot is based on, guys. Kabbalah is in here. The Hindu system is in here. The Mayan system is in here. Everything is in here, right? The tarot, which comes from the Torah, which means the wheel. This is the Torah. This is everything. It's Aphrodite's belt. It's King Arthur and the Round Table. There's just 12 knights. That'd be Lancelot. Or the guy with the spear. Sagittarius would be Lancelot. This is the Mazzaroth of the Bible. This is Jesus going through the circuit of Galilee, because when you look in your Strong's Concordance and you check Galilee, it tells you it's the circuit of the Mazzaroth, the circuit of the Zodiac. So it's telling you